Okay, welcome to Lakshya Academy. Okay, this is the cell junctions topic. Today we discuss the topic. Okay, I will give you little more information relating to cell junctions. Okay, from which you can expect bits in NEET exam. Okay, cell junctions. The cells are held together. Cells are held together by specialized intercellular junctions. If you observe here in this figure, okay, this is one cell, this is one cell, and this is another one. Okay, in between these cells there are some junctions here, okay, because of which cells are held together by specialized intercellular junctions which act as structural and functional links between them. Okay, what they act as? They act as structural and functional links between them. Okay, the structural and functional links between them. Okay, next one. Cell junctions are found in the epithelium and other tissues as well. Not only these are found in epithelial tissue, they are also found in other tissues like muscle tissue, cardiac muscle. They are found in other tissues also. Okay, junctions are held. Cells are held together. Cells are held together by specialized intercellular junctions and which act as structural and functional links between them. Cell junctions are found in epithelium, not only in epithelium and other tissues also. Okay, these are, what are they? Tight junctions. Second one, adhesion junctions, and third one, okay, those are called gap junctions. Okay, you know those three. I think you know. Okay, what are they? Tight junctions. First one. These are also called jonula occludins. Write down this one, jonula occludins. They help to protect, to stop substances from leaking across the tissue. I will show you tight junction here. Okay, this is one cell and this is another cell. Okay, this is one cell, this is another cell. Between these two cells, you can observe here there is a tight junction. Next, adhesion junction. Desmosomes. Desmosomes are also called adhesion junctions. Again, there are different types of that. I will tell you. Hemidesmosomes and okay, next one, gap junctions. Okay, first now we are talking about tight junction seals the neighboring cells. This is one cell, this is these neighboring cells are sealed by this one, okay, in an epithelial sheet to prevent leakage of molecules. They prevent leakage of molecules between them. Generally they are present in the apical part of the cell and cell pine. Okay, see again, they help to stop the substances from leaking across the tissue. Plasma membrane in the apical parts of the adjacent cells. Plasma membrane, and that means cell membrane in the apical parts of the adjacent cells. Apical part, I told you, this is the basal part. You can see here basal lamina, basal part. This is the apical part. The apical parts of the cell, plasma membranes of the cell or adjacent epithelial cells become tightly packed together and or even fused to form tight junctions. Okay, they are tightly packed together again, even fused to form a tight junction. Okay, that's about tight junctions. I told you some more points here. There are specific proteins here. There are some specific proteins here. Those proteins, special proteins are called occludins. They prevents the leakage of substances. Very important. It was given in previous NEET exam. Very important. Come to the adherence junctions. Adherence junctions, these are divided into three types. Jonula adherence, okay, it is not given in textbook. This is the additional information. Adherence junctions is given. These are again three types. Jonula adherents are intermediate junctions, and desmosomes are macula adherents, and hemidesmosomes. What are the three types? Jonula adherents. Jonula adherents are intermediate junctions. Desmosomes are macula adherents, and third one is, okay, hemidesmosome. These are the three types of adherence junctions. Okay, first we are taking this one, jonula adherents. Jonula adherents are intermediate junctions. These are usually occur just below tight junctions. Okay, they are present below. This is the tight junction. Below the tight junction, which junction is present? Adherent junction. These are present just below the, and these are present just below the tight junction. They are present below the tight junctions. What we are talking about now? We are talking now about adherents. These are jonula adherents are intermediate junctions. These are usually occur below the tight junctions. The intercellular space at these places contain a clear low electron density fluid, and there is a dense plaque-like substructure on the cytoplasm side of each cell. Dense plaque-like substance you can observe here. Dense plaque-like substance is present. Okay, dense plaque-like substance is present on the cytoplasm side of each plasma membrane. Cytoplasm side, not outside. It is present inside. Inside there is cytoplasm. Okay, side of each plasma membrane, from which fine filaments of actin protein extend into the cytoplasm. Okay, from this one there is actin proteins extending from this one. Okay, you can see the actin here. Okay, from which the fine filaments of actin protein extend into the cytoplasm. What type of proteins here? Actin proteins are present in intermediate junction. Intermediate students are very active. Actin protein is present in the intermediate junctions are jonula adherents. Now come to the next one, that is jonula adherents or intermediate junctions. Another point, there are no intercellular filaments between the adjacent cell membrane. There are no intercellular filaments between the adjacent cell membrane. There are no intercellular filaments are not present in these intermediate junctions. Next one, desmosomes are macular adherents. Okay, they perform cementing to keep the neighboring cells together. Okay, they perform cementing between the neighboring cells. Okay, these are like jonula adherents, but okay, jonula adherents already we discussed here. These are like jonula adherents, but these are thicker and stronger and disc-like junctions. Okay, these are thicker and stronger disc-like junctions. Join the intermediate filaments, and in one cell to those in the. Here you can observe here intermediate filaments are present here. Intermediate filament. These are made up of a protein. Can you tell that protein? I told you that is called keratin. Okay, they have intercellular protein, and the plaque-like structures protein plates are much thicker here. The microfilaments which extend from the plaque-like structure to cytoplasm are not actin but keratin here. Here actin is present, interactive like protein. These are called tonofibrils. Important point. Okay, these are called tonofibril. These microfilaments are called. Okay, these are called tonofibrils. What are they? Tonofibrils. Come to the next one. Desmosomes serve anchoring function. The function of desmosomes is they anchor the cells. Next one is hemidesmosomes, single-sided desmosomes. Where do we find them? You can observe here. At the base of the cell, there are hemidesmosomes, not desmosomes, hemidesmosomes, half desmosomes. You can observe here two red structures and two blue. Here only one blue, one instead of red here there is a yellow. Not other side is not there. Only half of the desmosome. That's why it is called hemidesmo. Hemi means half. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Okay, hemidesmosomes, single-sided desmosomes, and these are similar to desmosomes, but thickening of the cell membrane is seen only one side. Thickening of the cell membrane only here, both sides you can see here only on one side. And hemidesmosomes join epithelial cell to the basal lamina. I told you what is basal lamina is the upper layer of the basement membrane. You can see here, this is the basal lamina. Below that there is the reticular lamina and the basal lamina, and this is connected by, okay, hemidesmosomes join epithelial cells to the basal lamina. Basal lamina is the upper layer of basement membrane. Come to the next one. The next one, gap junction. Adhesion means, what is the meaning of the adhesion and anticoodum? Okay, here you can see tight junction, desmosome, and interdigitations. We will discuss it later. Next, come to the third one, gap junctions. Gap junctions facilitate the cells to communicate with each other, like we are communicating with one cell phone with other cell phone. Okay, here one cell can communicate with the other cell by connecting cytoplasm of the adjacent. Okay, you can see here, okay, you can see here gap junction allows the passage of small water soluble ions and molecules. Okay, what do we call this one? Gap junction, communication junctions. Okay, hemidesmosomes join epithelial cells to the basal lamina. Gap junctions facilitate the cells to communicate with each other by connecting the cytoplasm of adjoining cells for rapid transfer of ions, small molecules like glucose, amino acids, and sometimes big molecules also. These are mainly found in heart. And next one is the interdigitations. It is not given in a textbook. In a textbook, only three are given: gap junctions, adhering junctions, and desmosomes, and it's a adhesion junctions. Actually, got three types. I explain చేశాను ఇక్కడ. Okay, these are interfitting finger-like process. I will show you. Okay, these are the interfitting. Okay, this is one cell. This cell has process. This is a cell. It has process. These are interdigitation. This is called interdigitation. Okay, interdigitations, and these are the interfitting finger-like process of the cell membranes of the adjacent cells. They increase the area of surface contact between the adjacent cells. Therefore, there will be strong adhesion between the two cells. Okay, that's about junctions. Okay, you can see the adhesion means the property of sticking together. The two cells stick together. Okay, that's the end of junctions.